What up, YouTube family? SGK 23 TV in the building, back at it again. Peace and blessings to everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. You guys know the deal. We get right to it. Sub, like, comment, thumbs up, thumbs down. It don't matter. Let me know what I could do better if things are not up to you guys' standards. Hope everybody's coping with the coronavirus situation. Again, take advantage of this time to do things that you might not have been able to do in the past because you were busy, so on and so on. And people ask me about working out. You can do crazy workouts at home without even dumbbells or anything. Burpees, push-ups, sit-ups, quote unquote. You got a couple of dumbbells, even better. But hey, another day for another time, you dig? Another rope lace supply unboxing. That's where we at right now. So let's get to it, all right? This is a quick video. I just want to show you the consistency. And some of you guys might be like, damn, why is this guy, getting all these laces? You guys know I'm doing my own sneaker line. My own sneaker line and custom sneakers. So first let me set them down and I'll explain everything, what they are. Ooh, man. These are my peoples, man. You know what I'm saying? Mess with them. You guys seen these one last time. I got some shorter ones this time. I got a Travis Scott Air Force One sample coming. Alright, so let's do it real quick. I got the wool fat laces. These are not the 54s. These are the 48s. So these are a little shorter. You know what I'm saying? You guys will get to see all this stuff. I got... Okay, I forgot what these were. Another thing, there's an app now that you download on the App Store. I'll link it in the description, and it tracks everything that you buy. You don't have to like snapshot the receipt, look for emails. The app handles it all because the websites use that app. Shopify, Cartel, so on and so on. Anyways, these are not canvas. I forgot what these are. Not denim, but something ill. These are the denim ones right here. Blue denim joints. 54 for Air Force Ones right here. Platinum tips. These are like the denim joints. See the difference? These are like I'll link it in the description what the material is. And these are the velvet. These are the green ones with the gold tips. Kind of 54. Kind of for like the Travis Scott Air Force One sample / custom / stay tuned. You heard? So one velvet, denim, wool, 48s. I got the 54s. Like the salmonish color. I'll link it what the quality of these are. And you guys know I got plenty and plenty. Here goes some wool, purple. Here goes some velvet red. Here goes some velvet salmon, pink, whatever you want to call it. You got a bunch of off-white joints. Black rope. Green rope. Green flat. Black flat. Teal flat, off-white. Orange off-white flat. The purple flat. So yeah, getting ready. Stay tuned. The custom sneakers. The custom sneakers will be before my actual sneaker line. Obviously, it's taking a while. A lot of money. I'm learning a lot. So yeah, quick review, man. Rope Lace Supply, dope places, couple laces from them. They take care of you. You can just spin the wheel, discount codes, all that good stuff. All right. Peace and blessings. SGK 23 TV Network, SGK 23 Sneaker Show, the Lace Up video type of wave. You heard me? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Take care, stay safe, clean up, stay away from big crowds, so on and so on. I don't think I need to say this stuff to you guys. You guys are grown folks, ladies and gentlemen, and please enter the giveaway so you guys can get a free iced out bait pendant, either in white gold or yellow gold. You heard what I'm saying? You got to watch the whole video of, I don't know which one it is, but the description is there. It says 250 free bait pendant, and I did it wrong because it's 350, but I'm not changing it. I just leave it at 250. But you got to watch the whole video to understand how you win it for free. You heard me? Another rope late supply pickup. I already had, I don't know where the white ones at that I already had. Oh, I think I put them somewhere in a box or something. But these are shorter for something else. All right, guys, peace and blessings. Stay tuned. I got the Atmos duck camo jump off coming tonight. Review waiting on FedEx, so that's coming up next. Stay tuned. It might be graveyard shift, SGK 23 graveyard shift, or it might be tomorrow early in the morning. And let me know when you guys like the videos to pop up, like what times and stuff like that. I know what I'm going to do as far as the live streams and things like that, consistent at a certain hour, so you guys know what's popping. But let me know when the videos drop, what hours you guys want them to drop, like 6 in the morning, 11 at night. I think right now with the coronavirus, graveyard shift is kind of dope. Anyways, comment, let me know. Peace and blessings. Shout out to Rope Late Supply, everybody over there. I love you guys. Peace and blessings. I've been doing for like 6, 7, 8 years, maybe 9. Never let me down. And laced up as well. Peace.